Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Fava Live, which is an Amazon brand, pink knotted long sleeve. So it's like a cotton stretchy fabric, got a little pocket in the front. It's on the shoulder, long sleeves all the way down there. This is the little knot on the bottom. It's supposed to like wrap and hit you at your curves so that it gives it a little hourglass figure. So let's go ahead and try it on and see what it looks like. So this knot hits you at your fullest, so it gives it the more of an illusion of like an hourglass. And as you see, the pocket falls right there. And in general, just a nice, cozy, super stretchy, long sleeve that makes a normal looking shirt a little bit more interesting. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this sweater. It comes in all sorts of colors. To see what other colors it comes in, check out the links below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.